Okay, so here we have the 2N indoor insulation box. Part number of this is 91378800. So we basically use this box in conjunction when you've got the 2N indoor compact station. We'll just open this up and see what we actually get. So if you look there, you actually got your instructions printed on the top of the box. We've also got a cover plate. We've got a drill pattern cut out. And if we look at the mounting box itself, got that there. Got your screws, the back of the plate. So yeah, that's the 2N indoor compact insulation box.